Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 11, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you will need this SIM eject tool. Now it comes provided with the device in a box, so you can find it somewhere in there. And once you have it, all you really need to do is flip the device upside down. The tray is on the bottom of the device, and from here, as you can see, there is the pin. Push it in, the tray will pop out. You can take it out, and from here you have space for a SIM card and SD card. So place them accordingly, like so. Make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, and then while holding it securely so it doesn't actually fall out, insert it back into the device. And there we go, there is the pin for the SIM card. So the SIM card is working, and SD card as well, as you can see based on that notification right here. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.